Picture this. You're watching a movie in the living room, then simply roll the same display into the kitchen to follow a recipe, and later bring it to your home office for a video call. That's exactly the kind of flexibility LG is aiming for with its latest portable screen. LG has officially introduced the StanbyME 2 Max, a 32-inch standalone touchscreen display designed to move with you instead of staying fixed to one wall. And while the concept isn't entirely new, this version is the biggest and most capable StanbyME yet. The display features a 32-inch 4K touchscreen, a noticeable upgrade over previous models that offered smaller, lower-resolution panels. It also comes with a detachable design, allowing the screen to lift off its wheeled floor stand and be placed on a tabletop using an included stand. That makes it useful for everything from streaming movies and casual gaming to cooking tutorials or creative work. Powering the experience is LG's Alpha 8 AI Processor Gen3, which automatically adjusts picture quality and audio based on what you're watching, and even the lighting in your room. Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos are also on board, with side-firing speakers designed to deliver a more immersive entertainment experience. Unlike a traditional TV, the StanbyME 2 Max includes a built-in battery that lasts up to 4.5 hours, so it doesn't need to stay plugged into the wall while you're using it. Running LG's webOS platform, it supports major streaming services, free live channels, productivity apps, video calls, and wireless screen mirroring. HDMI and USB ports also let it double as a monitor for laptops, game consoles, and other devices. Of course, all that versatility comes at a premium. LG has priced the StanbyME 2 Max at around $1,300, putting it well above the cost of many conventional 4K TVs or monitors. Whether that price makes sense depends on how much value you place on having one screen that can move effortlessly throughout your home. So, what do you think? Is a portable 32-inch smart display worth $1,300? Or would you rather stick with a traditional TV and monitor setup? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more of the latest tech news.